Good afternoon, class. I'm here with the first question. That is amino acids. In the morning, I had sent you a message in the Telegram. Hope you people have just gone through the chapter of amino acids. So, before we start with today's lesson, let me just go to the learning objectives. As you complete this lesson, I expect that each one of you will know the general structure of amino acid, classify amino acid, and give at least one example, and know the rules for making amino acids. As usual, we have common and ionic system, and the rules are different. Let's see the introduction. Amino acids are molecules that contain an amine, a carboxyl group, and a side chain, usually a alkyl group, which is specific to each type of amino acid. Alkyl group can be different depending upon relative position of the amino group. With respect to carboxyl group, they are classified as alpha, beta, gamma, delta amino acids. Usually, there are 20 natural amino acids found in proteins. Only the alpha amino acids are obtained by hydrolysis of proteins. Hence, alpha amino acids are also called the building blocks, that is, the structural units we can also say as monomers of proteins. Let's just look at the formula and structure. The general formula is RCH NH2 COOH. So if you see this formula, we can see that there is a R group which is alkyl, then we have carbon bonded with hydrogen, then this carbon again bonds with NH2 and next COOH. So here we have amino group, acid group, and alkyl group with carbon. This is the structure. This is the overall structure, the general structure of amino acid. So the amino group is basically basic in nature, and COOH group, that is the carboxyl group, is generally acidic in nature. We have the alkyl group, that is the side chain, and the carbon that is linked on which the amino group links is called as alpha carbon atom. Let's quickly see the classification of amino acids. They are classified as neutral amino acids, acidic amino acids, basic amino acids, and essential and non-essential amino acids. So neutral amino acids, usually they have only one amino group and one COOH group with this structure in their molecule. Examples could be glycine and alanine. So glycine, we have CH2, NH2, COOH, and alanine we have CH, CH3, NH2, COOH. Acidic amino acids, just opposite to that, they contain only one NH2 group and they will have instead two COOH group. Example is aspartic acid and glutamic acid. Aspartic acid, glutamic acid. So we can see here they have one NH2 group but two COOH group. Here also two COOH group. Here also we have two COOH group. But we have just one NH2 group here, and we have just one NH2 group here. Basic amino acids, they contain only two NH2 and one COOH group. So there is just one NH2 group in this case. We have the example Arginine and glycine. This is the skeletal structure of arginine, and this is the skeletal structure of glycine. To understand this skeletal structure, I have also attached a video. You can just browse through the one. And if there is some problems regarding the understanding of this, I request you all to contact me in my personal Telegram. Let's see, non-essential amino acids, those amino acids which can be synthesized by human body by using other compounds are called non-essential amino acids. Our body can make them, synthesize them whenever it is required. That is why they are also called non-essential amino acids. They are also referred as dispensable amino acids. Example could be glycine and alanine. Essential or indispensable, last one, amino acids. The last one, these amino acids are not synthesized by our body, but instead it must be consumed through our diet. We have to eat them in the form of food. They are required by our body for growth. And in case of deficiency of such type of amino acids, we will suffer from the deficiency disease known as Kawasaki. Examples of non-essential amino acids could be alanine and asparagine. Let's see nomenclature. Common naming system is very easy. The names of amino acids are derived from source or place of origin. Amino acids are named as amino substituted aliphatic carboxylic acids and are designated as alpha, beta, gamma, delta, etc. It depends upon the position of NH2 group on the carbon chain. So we will understand this point as we see the structure and then name it. We'll do it in the next slide. IUPAC system. In this system, the position of NH2 group is indicated by the number of carbon atom on which it lies, taking carbon of COOH as 1. So we will be counting the carbon present in acid group as 1 in IUPAC system. Let's see. This is the example. First we have the formula in this column, then common name and IUPAC name. Together we have it. So let's see this one. CH2, NH2, COOH. So the common name for this is, we have to see the position of NH2. NH2 is located in this, connected in this carbon. This is the acid group. So this is actually glycine, structure of glycine. Name is amino acetic acid. Amino acetic acid. IUPAC name, just see. Carbon 1, carbon 2, we have NH2 group. So in carbon 2 we have NH2 group, and total carbon we have is just 2. So 2 amino acetic acid. Likewise, next one. CHNH2, CH3, COOH. So this is first carbon of the acid, and this carbon CH, where NH2 is connected, is called alpha carbon. Likewise, COOH, this is the first carbon connected with COOH, carbon of COOH. This is alpha carbon, this is beta carbon. Likewise, if you see it in third case, this is the carbon of acid group, alpha carbon, beta carbon, gamma carbon, and still if we have some more chain, we can say delta carbon like that. So based on the position of where this NH2 is connected or linked, we do the common names. Let's see for second one. Alpha aminopropylic acid, that is the alanine. Alpha aminopropylic acid. If you see the carbon, there are 1, 2, 3 carbons, so it is from propane or propylic acid. And since this carbon, first carbon, is considered as alpha carbon, so alpha aminopropylic acid. Likewise, if you see the third last, second last, beta aminopropylic acid, COH, CH2, CH2, and H2. So this is alpha carbon, this is beta carbon. So likewise, we name it as beta amino. That means in beta carbon, NH2 is present. Likewise, alpha carbon, beta carbon, and gamma carbon. So gamma amino butanoic acid, because there are 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon atoms. So with acid. Let's see IUPAC name. First one we already did, 2 amino acetic acid. For second one, count this carbon, which is the carbon of acid group, as 1. 1 carbon, and its second carbon we have amino group, so 2 aminopropylic acid. Likewise here, first carbon, second carbon, third carbon, we have NH2 group, so 3 aminopropylic acid. Likewise here we have first carbon, second, third, fourth carbon, we have NH2 group in fourth carbon, so 4 aminobutanoic acid. We also have other systems, 3 letter symbols and 1 letter code. For sake of simplicity, sometimes amino acids are also classified using given names using the first 3 letters of their names. The first letter should be capital. For example, glycine GLY, alanine ALA, lysine LYS, like that. And one letter code is also for the same shape. But here, one thing you need to remember is, for sake of simplicity, amino acids are also given standard code for 60 nanometer. These codes are usually written in bracket and may not always be the first letter of the names. That's the difference. Glycine, GLY, this is G, it's okay in this case. Alanine, ALA, is also A, that's fine. Lysine, LYS, it is K, it is not L. So, such type of differences we need to see. Thank you.